instructions, so it's weird.
Alright. So it's been like 2 fucking hours almost. And he said he'd be off at 4:30.
Yeah.
It's 5:54 right now. So we just decided to just pull up to his work and sit here until he gets out. And then harass him. And then follow him home. And then, I think we're going to CF after that. I'm not for sure, but. Alright, well, we see you when this dumbass get out here, bro. Alright. You said 30 minutes, bro.
Bro.
You know what time it is? You know what time it is?
We had a freaking big ass truck today.
Big ass truck.
Yeah.
You know what? Are you Quick Start's bitch though?
Nope.
Alright, we're gonna follow you home.
To my cabin?
Yeah.
He really wants to stalk you.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a problem.
A bit of a problem?
Who wants to stalk us?
Me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bro, you gotta go back to work though, for real.
Mask on 30 piece. Got it out the mud, we was serving peas. If you from the streets, you probably heard of me. Fuck that, nigga certainly. Catch a body broad day, shoot him in the hallway. Corner one car away.
I know me, bro. Look at that stud right there. Yeah, we got the 9-bot, bro. We should be in a hot tub tonight, boys.
I'm down.
Oh yeah. Hot tub vlogging, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, with some girls, right?
Yeah.
Bro, you ain't gonna believe this though? Guess what? I was telling Tanner this, right? Like earlier at the school, that I pulled 1.5 bitches today. Or not today, like
Damn.
the whole year.
Who's the half?
Half?
Yeah, Kamina.
The one is Kamina, bro. And the half is a bitch that just dipped on me. Talk about it, bro.
Logan, how do you feel that Kamina ditched you because you wouldn't mow her lawn?
She wanted me to mow her lawn at 9:30 at night, bro. You think I'm gonna mow a girl's lawn at 9:30 at night?
Yes, gotta show how loyal you are.
So Dalton, where are we going?
Sioux Falls.
Catch a body broad day.
Bro, you almost got caught on 4K footage. Alright, boys. We back here at Walmart where I took a shit last year. You know what the plan is?
Buy Dildo.
I don't even think Walmart's open.
Alright.
Booty dance for me?
Poles at the strip club.
Yeah, let's do it. What are you here to find?
Dildo.
Alright, I got you. I really don't even know how to use it.
Yes.
Alright.
I'm feeling fruity today, so I'm trying to switch it up.
I'm gonna go find something. Tanner. Want me to buy you some Legos?
I don't want no fucking Legos, boy.
I should make my own kind of Legos. Imagine it'd be like Logie Poogie Legos.
You'd have Epstein's Island as a fucking buildable set.
There you go.
Show that up your ass.
Oh, I will. I like that.
Is it
For real?
We can try it.
No. Am I like, bro?
Oh, here you go.
That's perfect. For real.
Bend over right now.
What?
Bend over.
What? My phone's like slippery.
Maybe don't jerk off so much.
I know that's
That would help it.
It's like 5 times a day. Sometimes like in the school bathroom too. What?
Dude.
Shove that shit up your ass. No, it's a freaking.
Bro, I don't know what
spot.
you're talking about. Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Love Honey, bro, I've heard about those. Really, you did?
Found a jackpot, boys.
Alright.
Alright, Dawn. I really gotta go get him?
Yeah.
This is insane, bro. I'm just trying to get one. Should I get like a Love Honey?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, got you. Who wants it?
You. You want it? Yeah.
Yes.
What you need?
I just got a question.
Okay.
I don't know, it might be like a dumb question.
Okay.
But like, I'm just wondering, how do you use one of these Love Honeys?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
Okay.
Really?
I had to read instructions, so it's weird.
Yeah, it's like
The
videos
sucky
of it.
motion.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, I've like seen videos of it. I just didn't know.
Anything else?
No, that's all I needed.
Alright.
Bro, so the lady didn't even know how to use the thing, bro. You probably heard it because I was recording on my phone. But she was like, it just get a little suction cup thing. And I was like, all right, I saw videos. I was just wondering. But also I left my Prime bottle in there. And I don't know where it went. Like, it's insane, bro. But yeah,
Dumbass.
we're gonna go to Trevor's, see his subs, because this guy over here hasn't seen them. And they're pretty fucking loud, bro. I don't know how it's gonna pick up on the camera, we'll see. And then that'll probably be the end of the video. So yeah, see ya at Trevor, boys. What the fuck is, bro, what? Bro, I'm driving to Trevor's house right now. Can you calm her down? I'm not joking, bro. Like, I'm trying to drive.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive.
Yeah. Also, you know, if you guys wondering where I got the chain, bro, I got it from a jewelry store. 20 bands, baby. What the fuck you doing over there? Dawn, bro, what are you doing?
What's up, gang?
Yo, bro, I don't know what the fuck you're on. We just waiting for Trevor, though, to get outside, you know. Don't touch me, bro. We've been through this. For real. Bro, I swear to God, if you touch me one time, I got this on camera, and I'm gonna show the fucking cops. I'm not playing.
What the fuck, bro?
You want 4K footage harassing me, bro. Jesus Christ.
Bro, lights went out.
Lights went out, bro. They can still see me.
Ain't nobody gonna see. Ain't nobody gonna hear you scream, bro. We in the middle of
Alright, let's go, boys. Let's get the fuck out. How you going?
Good.
Going good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to get you a rose toy, but it didn't work. Sorry.
I'm kind of sad now.
Believe me, bro. 20 bands.
20 bands?
20 bands.
You ain't got no money. You spent $20?
20 bands on this, bro, right here. It's real ice. Yeah, 20 bands. It's real. You want to diamond test it?
Yeah, my mom has one inside. I've diamond tested.
Alright, bring the diamond tester out. Bring it out. Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Gotta get Logan up in here.
Yeah, let's get me up in there, bro.
Yeah.
What?
Put my phone in your pocket.
Here you go, bro. Take the camera.
Alright, I'm gonna trade. Put this in your pocket. What's up, vlog? These fuckers bum. I mean, this fucker.
I paid a lot of money for it.
How much you pay for this fucker?
$1,400.
Jesus.
But it's with the amp and everything included. The amp, the box, the sub. And then I'm finna give me another sub and then another box. And then I'm finna just have me like a little 15 for my room.
God damn.